Today we're going to be making some mini cheesecakes with a chocolate dipped strawberry, just the thing you want to have on Valentine's Day. So the first thing I'm going to do is to line my muffin tray. Once this is done, we're going to get started on our base. So for that we need our biscuits that we're just going to crush and then add some melted butter and just combine that. This is going to go into our muffin tray. Just going to spoon equal parts of this mixture to make our bases. And then I'm just using the back of a teaspoon to press them down and just make them nice and neat. And now for our filling. So now I'm just going to work my cream cheese because you don't want any lumps. So please do not skip this step. And then now our eggs. So we're adding in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Everything is nice and smooth, just perfect. So now we're gonna start spooning our filling into our bases, 3/4 of the way. And I feel like an ice cream scoop gets in more filling. These are gonna go into my oven for 15 to 20 minutes to bake, and then I'll get started on my chocolate dipped strawberries. I'm using some dark chocolate as well as some white chocolate. I'm going to place this glass bowl on top of my boiling water, making sure that this water does not touch the bowl. Make sure you watch this carefully. Do not walk away. If your chocolate does seize, you can add a tiny bit of neutral oil and stir it in, and it should bring it back together. And now to dip our strawberries. So I'm keeping the stems on so that I have something to hold on to, and then just place that on a lined tray. Just remember to have your strawberries at room temperature and not straight out the fridge, else that's gonna harden your chocolate very quickly. And now I'm gonna pop this into my fridge to chill. So now my strawberries are chilled, my cheesecakes are completely cooled. Now to take it to the top. So I just have some whipped cream that I'm going to top all of them with. Now my favorite part, the tasting. I think I'll start with the strawberry. Perfect combo. Then now for that cheesecake. Perfect. Happy Valentine's Day.